Stockish 5.0. Alright, man. See you later. Hello. It is cold.
It is.
Yep. Cold, man. What you trying to do to me?
It's what, like 1 degree outside, maybe?
Not that bad though.
It's sunny.
All right, a little iced coffee in -4 degree weather. You know.
A little bit.
Doing some focus things.
What the hell, we gotta do it right now.
I got the camera out.
Ready?
Yep. We're a burning tire.
We're ripping it. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, it's spinning so much. Man, this snow is just no traction up here. Only in Mexico. We're definitely not in Detroit. Waiting for security to roll up.
Right.
I don't know what happened. It's just spinning the tires up the hill.
We have all tires, sir. So casually. Oh, I love this car.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's kind of cold. What are you doing to my coffee, man?
Then you got the, you know, those, the pipes.
All right, that definitely wasn't us here.
Walk away, walk away.
Yeah. All right, so I haven't introduced this video. It is freezing. What? It's like -4 degrees. We are going into the Detroit Auto Show to check out some new cars, particularly the GT500. We're here with John Gift.
And all this 7 degrees.
Oh, it's warmed up to 7 degrees.
Yeah. Weak sauce.
All right, let's run inside.
I think I have a photo.
All right, Mr. Don, here it is.
I'm so excited. I got my ticket. We got the Master Hood John in the house.
Yep.
We got Big Man Lee. Nothing stops Lee. And we got what, Allie over there? Jonathan's girl. And we got the beautiful Brenda. And we got the
Beautiful Steve.
There we go. Beautiful Steve.
All right, it's time for GT500. Where's the GT500?
I don't know, man, but I want one, and I want one now. What color?
Blue.
Black?
Blue.
Blue?
All day long.
We're gonna see it today, Andrew.
All right.
I am so pumped up.
Look at this.
God, dude.
Uh-oh.
Look at how wide the front of those front fenders are. Andrew, look at how
That's
wide
it.
those fenders
Yeah.
are in the front.
I think we need to talk about that. What'd you think about that? 2650?
Incredible. Look at the color on that. Andrew.
I know, the
Look
blue.
how wide those front fenders are.
That is beautiful.
That is, the styling cues are amazing.
Carbon fiber wheels look insane in person. Do you see the wheels?
Hey,
Look at that. 2650. Look at this. That's big.
Yeah.
It's stock. So here it is. Big wing. Carbon fiber wheels. Massive rear brakes.
All over that bit.
All
I don't
over
blame
it.
you. That
All
is,
over it.
that is very impressive. Look at
Even-
the wing.
Carbon fiber overlay inside. You can see the shifter. Side skirt pieces, massive brakes up front. Seeing the car in person, it's how wide that front end is insane. Here's the transmission.
Like when he's talking about that, he blew like this gear out. So this gear is broken.
What?
It has 3650 transmission. What he's talking about. So he has like when he's forcing it, he's actually forcing these locker rings.
Notice here, these have flanges with no cats, which is interesting. Means this might have a mid pipe in the middle.
Really interesting.
Big wing. All right, so when are you putting your order in?
Well, there's still no dealership allocations for the car. We understand that, and we're still waiting for MSRP to come out. So we're gonna wait and see when they release it this year, and hopefully we get our hands on it, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna look at the ADMs, and we're gonna make a decision.
This thing.
If I do get one, where's the first place I'm gonna drive to?
You're coming to see us.
I'm gonna go to D-Land, Florida. Why?
Yes.
I'm gonna hang out with the Mustang lifestyle. My buddy Lee.
Go get some steaks.
Some steaks.
Hit the track, have some fun.
Nice. So I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah, so if I got rid of the Cobra, the Bullet, and the other Cobra, I could finance 60 grand on this.
60 grand, that would probably cost you about 1,400 to 1,500 bucks a month for 72 months. And then I think your down deposit's your kidney. Right?
Give or take.
This is beautiful. So 2020 Explorer EST, 400 horsepower.
So soccer mom's got power.
Dude, that's like the Edge Sport though. The Edge Sport is fast. And the Edge ST.
Which I don't know.
Goodbye for now.
That is crazy. The front of that car.
Alright. I just need like 1 million subscribers and then I'll buy one.
You'll get that this year.
This year.
2019, you're
Let's
close
do
to
it.
what, 80?
Close to 80. I think we'll actually hit 80 very soon.
Very soon.
Yeah.
With all the new content you're posting.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the content's been great. The Bullet's been...
Bullet's badass. That's
Very-
so much fun.
People are very interested.
The Cobra's coming back. Axles are arriving
I'm
today.
pretty disappointed with you, Andrew. I think you've been holding out. I think you have those axles. You're just not telling your fan base.
They're coming in today, but I'm here, not in Florida, but it's okay.
Andrew. I'm calling Ashley. Remember, I got Ashley on quick dial.
By introducing his most powerful muscle.
So that's how an engine works, Don.
Well,
some
you
things.
stick the bolt in there, and you got the hand crank on the backside, Andrew. And then you just fling a little bit of gas up on the top, and somehow it just like runs.
Yeah.
Led by, ladies and gentlemen,
You got pistons that go up and down.
2019 Dodge Challenger. That's how Camera Knife is the most powerful and fastest muscle car available, combining the best of the SRT Demon and the SRT Hellcat into one vehicle. Now what's amazing is the 6.2 liter V8 engine.
Hey, John, tell us what we're looking at, Chief.
Hey John, here's the all-new BMW. I mean Toyota.
No, it's BMW.
Supra.
BMW Z Supra Z4.
Let's go get a closer look here. Now, Toyota could have re-released the 1990, was it 93, 94?
Yeah, I think it's 94, 98.
They could have re-released it, left everything exactly the same.
Exactly, and it has sold like hotcakes.
Oh man.
Especially if you'd have told them they had a 2JZ in it, everybody would have lost it.
I mean, this is a nice car. I just don't know if it lives up to the...
But look at these. So, you remember the Mark IV Supras? We all know about this. Everybody's probably sat in one, or at least looked at one, realistically, right? You know what I mean? What in there screams this is Toyota? The Mark IV Supras had that nice spider type of dash in the
face the driver.
And the plastics were cheap AF, and that's what we loved about it, because it was functional and it was practical.
And of course, 2JZ.
And of course, 2JZ. And I look in here and I go, damn. I said, for 60 grand, you're gonna spend money on a rebadged BMW Z4 with no 2J and an automatic transmission?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
It's about as disappointing as an automatic in a Shelby.
But it does say Supra on the back, for what it's worth.
I mean, if you just take a little knife and you scrub that off, you'd mention the BMW fan M1 fits perfectly.
Yeah. Well, if you close your left eye and your right eye, and then imagine a 1994 Toyota Supra, you'll feel right at home.
Yeah, no doubt.
Just don't open your eyes.
You know, I can't find where the wing's gonna go. All Mark IV Supra lovers love their wing.
There is a rendering of this that actually looks really good.
Yeah.
Please hold, right here. I've always wanted a spaceship, bro.
I know, right?
That spaceship, like...
Well, hold on. I had to introduce you to the new Supra.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Look at the bottom. The base of it looks like a toilet.
It really does, actually.
The way it comes off the ground, it looks like a toilet.
Bro, those are carbs? For your toilet?
Honestly, the seats look like really cool.
Yeah, they do.
But, like, what is going on with rear wheel here?
I know, right? Is it like a it's a
cover?
iRobot with the ball?
Yeah.
I mean, it's really
sideways movement. Just.
Turns out those are actually wings that just pops up and you go flying in it.
Yeah. All right, that's about it for the Detroit Auto Show. Out into the gold. Oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
You can work with this.
The sun's out. That's the only reason.
The sun's out. Yep. Run to the car. Run. He's cold. UPR representing.
McFarlane do that? His buddy, he ran to the finish line in the quarter mile.
Nice paint. That is Sonic Blue under there.
What is Sonic Blue?
Woo.
Oh.
Turn that heat on blast, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Woo!
All of it's at the bottom of the arrow.
Yep. Gap cam. Gapped! Gapped! Oh no! Gapped! Gapped by the SVT Focus. Alright, you gotta see what's on the back of this truck.
My ears pull up, but I don't. What a legend.
What does that say, John?
My mirrors pull out, but I don't. That's great.
Oh man. You gonna show her the Gapple train?
Here we go.
Hazards engaged. Hazards engaged. Oh, she's got her hazards on. She had her hazards on.
Wait, was one ball out?
You won't ping the rev limiter. Oh, misses the gear. There it is.
Third, we're pulling in third. Are you gonna see me hit the rev limiter a lot when I get toward the driveway?
This snow.
That's what we were doing to get in my driveway.
We're headed face
It's funny as balls.
oncoming with the car. god, backfire.
At least my laughing fast enough I can hear
Tech hard.
Got that two-step going on.
Oh my god, don't do that.
Love some Z-Tech.
Love it.
Poor car. Should remember that car. What is this? What is this? White powdery stuff. I've actually never seen your Cobra. This one's purty, dude.
That's rust-free.
Yes, he's got the Sonic Blue beater, the black beater, and then the beauty.
The hotness.
And, of course, mineral gray.
Hardtop. With all the writing from everybody I know. This was, hey Andrew, this was written here about 9 months ago. I'll sit in that interior. That's hot.
Oh yeah.
Here, I'll take your jacket. Go ahead. Sit on that.
Well, it's cold.
Yeah, well, it's so good. You have to take a stab in that though.
Oh yeah. That does hug you.
Is where it's at.
These are just like the ST Recaro seats.
Mm-hmm. But besides a little dirt, this thing is pretty.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I got my rental truck. I'm just gonna load this bad boy up. Where's my transmission?
Oh, wait, there's more.
Hold on. Let me
Yeah, let me just you know.
T56.
Mm-hmm. Just go.
So,
you know, something like that, right? You know, level 6, 14 inches Magnum.
I'm just gonna take this bad boy home.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, John. Hit him over the head, please.